Many foreigners think the concept 은는 이가 is the most difficult to understand in Korean language. Because they do not have this, so it is very new concept. Here, 이가 what we call subject marking particles its grammatically subject is related to 이 or 가 and 이. The word finishing with consonant 이 and 가, the word without consonant. Here, 꽃이 예뻐요. 꽃 finishing with a consonant, so use 이. Not every flower, the only flower you are singing in front of you. And 커피가 맛있어요. Coffee finish without consonant, so use 가. You want to describe how delicious the coffee you are drinking, so it's not general fact.